Okay. So let's start our demo. Sorry.
Echo is coming.
Okay. Is this fine now? Yeah. So yeah, today I would like to talk about myself and whatever my achievements, accolades, and what is my success track record, aim and motto, and what is the demand of performance testing in the market, and all the below listed items I would like to cover in this demo. And another important thing I would like to tell before the demo starts. So due to my laptop issue, I have unable to set up all the softwares, so I have taken another laptop. So today I'm unable to show you all the softwares. I would actually, in every demo I will open all the softwares like load runner, jmeter, everything, even abdynam, even dynatrace or grafana, everything I will open in laptop and I will show it to you. But due to laptop, I told you, right, today I have purchased a new one. So tomorrow also I'm running one demo, so please you can also join tomorrow. In tomorrow demo I will set up and everything I will show it to you tomorrow. As many as topics I will cover it in today demo class. Okay. So I'm Vidya, and I'm a BTech graduate. I'm a gold medalist with 10 plus years of experience in IT industry, and I have worked on both the service and product based organizations. And I'm expertise on different tools on performance testing as well as engineering with the load runner, JMeter, ALM, LRE 2020, Neo load, etc. And apart from that, I'm well versed end-to-end performance test life cycle like POC document preparation, NFRs, how to gather non-functional requirements and different types. I mean, in NFR gathering also, we are having different stages like a general, business and architectural level. And apart from that, I'm expertise on designing, scripting, execution, report generation, and providing the final report to the clients. So apart from that, I'm good at different protocols, HTTP, web HTTP, that is common, as you all know. Flex, Ajax, TrueClient, these are the load runner protocols. Web services is common for both, and JDBC, CFTP, DNS, LDAP. And apart from that, I'm expertise in Mac as well. In Mac also, I'm expertise on connecting with the JMeter and connecting with the terminal, how to run the test executions. These are all the things. And apart from that, I'm expertise on different monitoring tools like Splunk, Wiley Introscope, AWR reports, Dynatrace, Performance Monitor, Grafana. Apart from that, the Dynatrace, AppDynamics also I'm expertise on, and Grafana Prometheus integration. And coming to engineering part, especially, right, like garbage collection, and also profiling tools like Visual VM, JProfiler, Eclipse Mat, thread dumps, heap dumps, memory leak identification, all the things I have expertise on. And I'm expertise on different type of load tests. I can say not only load test, we are having different kind of test execution. So I'm expertise on load, capacity, stress, endurance, volume, failover, all these things. So this is about myself, and this is a little bit my brief introduction. And coming to accolades and achievements, as I have secured first place in my academic in my BTech college, I have received a gold medal from our Honorable Minister Sabita Indra Reddy, and I have received a work excellence award as well. So I'm a good hard worker, and innovation, I will do innovations by myself, and I have achieved an innovation idea award for previous organizations, and I have implemented new plugins to automate performance. Still in that organization, they are using whatever I have implemented that plugins using Java as well as VB code. So I have received a silver medal medal in idea implementation as an auto report generation. So once the test execution was done, in this JMeter or load runner, so everyone has to prepare the report, right? Complete consolidated report. So to do that, definitely we need some process. It will took almost, for if it is a bigger application or if it is having lot of scripts, it will took longer time to consolidate all the results. So I have implemented an auto report generation as well. So I have actively participated on hackathons and I have received an external awards as well. So this is about my achievements in brief. Coming to our success track. So whenever I have started this training, so I have started training by myself independently, and I'm providing training in personal way. So coming to the success track record, so from previous batches, almost a lot of students got placed in different organizations without an external support. Even they have not taken any interview support, they have not taken any external support. Without that, they are directly placed by their cracking interviews by own with my training. Okay, and these are the list of students who have already got placed, and a lot of people is there, but I don't want to reveal a lot of names here. So few people names I have kept it here. So this is about track record. My complete aim and motto of the training. Okay, my target is like setting up a career in performance testing, and for this training, prerequisites, as you all know, that whoever completed BTech, MCA, MSc computers or BCA, any full-time degree is fine. So they was interested to take this training, they would like to enter into software, I will definitely support you, encourage you. And recent year passed outs with career gaps also fine. Manual and ETL test engine is also fine, because manual and ETL, there is not much growth in the organizations. So if you can upgrade your skills, definitely it will become a better ad for you. So my suggestion, please be mute everyone. Yeah. And BPO non-IT employees who want to pursue career in IT also fine. So these are all the prerequisites to attend the trainings. So anyone, if you want to refer your friends, you can refer. And it is complete real-time training. And whenever you are having doubts, you can ask in the class. Before starting the class also, I will ask you the doubts if you have any. And if it is a theory part, definitely I will ask you the questions. What you have understand and what is expecting from my side, and is there any topic I am missing, you can feel free to ask me also. Okay, so there is no need to learn any other coding languages to start this performance testing training. Okay, just if anyone know C, C++, Java, Python or SQL, that will be good add-on. So if there is no idea about these skills, also fine. Okay, so and another thing was, I will start with the demo scripts and I will go to the advanced level scripting. It includes bean shell coding. It includes more challenges like for loops, if conditions, while loops usage, and how to handle the situations based on the requirement. Okay, so I will start with demo and I will a little slowly I will move on to the advanced topics. So both load runner and JMeter I will trade. So now I'm started with JMeter. So once this JMeter batches was done, we'll start with load runner. If you start with both JMeter and load runner at a time, it will be little confusion for you, because load runner is complete separate tool and JMeter is complete different tool. So my suggestion was, nowadays 95% of the demand is there for JMeter tool. So just go with JMeter. Once you perfect with JMeter, and then you can enter into load runner, that is fine. And load runner is very simple and easy tool. Once you learn the JMeter, you can easily crack the load runner as well. Okay, so I will provide placement assistance as well. So I'm having good HR references, and already I have referred few people, candidates. They are also placed and working well in that organizations. I'm having good contacts with HRs. I will never charge any single rupee for the references. Whatever the numbers I know, whatever the positions we are getting, immediately I will post it on the groups. Okay, and the course duration will be 30 to 35 days. So it's not 35 days. Sometimes it will be more than that, because the content and the topics based on that, it will be increasing. So this is about my aim and motto of the training. Next, I would like to talk few things about remuneration in the market. So if you compare with the different companies like service based or product based, okay. So starting with service based, TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, and these are all the service based companies, top MNCs I can say. So if with this particular performance testing course with JMeter, for freshers you can easily earn 3.5 to 4.5 lakh per annum. And for 3+ years experience people, easily you can earn 10 to 12 lakh per annum. The salaries was like that, and the demand in the market for this performance testing was that much. For example, I will say one thing. So for developers, 100 positions, 100 openings was there. For Selenium testers, 100 positions, 90 people was there. Okay, only 10% openings. But coming to performance testing, 1,000 openings, only 500 people is there for working who are having good experience in performance testing. So remaining 500 positions was free only. So that much huge demand is there for performance testing in the market. So you will have a good career growth as well. Without performance testing, no product will enter into the market. I would like to explain few things about what is performance testing also in coming slides. No worry. And coming to product-based companies, ADP, Thomson Reuters, Colruyt, ServiceNow, JP Morgan, all these are the top product-based MNCs. So compared to service-based MNCs, product-based MNCs will have more package. Okay. So for freshers, they can earn easily 4 to 5 lakh per annum, and 3+ experience can get 10 to 14 lakhs per annum easily. So this is how the remuneration for performance testing in the market. So I hope everyone received course content on the group. So everyone should have a confusion, right? Why these 3 documents we have, right? Because first thing was performance testing life cycle. So what is PTLC life cycle means? In basics itself, I will cover all the module 1. Module 1 means from very basics levels to whoever don't know, even whoever don't know completely about system also, they can easily learn. Okay, even for how to open the command prompt, everything will be there. So it's like a spoon feeding. So whoever don't know about complete performance testing, or whoever don't know about software or even the system itself, they can easily know how the operating system will works. I have listed few topics. So in day 1 itself, I will ask you to learn that things. You can learn that, you can easily move forward without any issues. And another thing is like, I will also help you with performance testing life cycle. I will also help you to prepare NFR test plan. I will teach you in the class at the same time. You have to, I will give you an assignment. You have to prepare it and you have to submit it. So I would
Yeah,
like
hello.
Yes. Who
Hello.
is this? Yes, I'm audible.
Yeah, yes, Hari madam.
Hari, can you talk any doubts after this session? At the end of the session,
Okay.
please. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
okay.
whatever I would like to cover in the class, it will be disturbed. That's why. Okay. I will clear all your doubts. Don't worry. Yeah. So this is about the PTLC lifecycle content, and this is the older one, but the latest one, it was more topics is involved in this. So I have to add it actually, but I will add. Okay. These are all the load runner topics module wise. So I have completely divided complete course into 4 modules. So module wise, I will go each and every topic. So this is the load runner content, and I have already shared on the group. You just go through that group, you can get clear picture. Okay. So this is the PTLC. Means in module 1 itself, almost I will take 10 days, 1 week to 10 days. So if you learn module 1 perfectly, you know even URL structure, what is the request, what is the F12 developer tools, how to see everything. If you learn in the module 1 itself, if you learn in the module 1 very basic things, very scratching topics in scratching itself, if you learn, you can easily move forward with the scripting parts in a simple way. If you don't learn module 1 perfectly, if you enter into the module 2, it will be little complicated for you. That's the reason I have designed module 1 separately, and few topics was not added here. In that content list, I will add it, but the document, whatever I have prepared, it was very detailed. Okay. In basics, it's almost very bigger slide. So each and every pin to pin, it was there. So few contents also have not like this. Basics, even Windows shortcuts, how to remove the temporary files, what is the SDLC, STLC, types of testings, agile methodology. Also, I will show you the Jira board with every real time. It's complete real time, I can say. In this, like, I will open each and every tool and I will show it. So this is very scratch level things. Okay. So once basics was done, we will enter into the module 1. In the module 1, in detail contents will be there. And another thing, I will provide you a drive access. So I would like to show you one thing. And even for module wise, I will provide you the access like this. Okay. So if it is a demo, then demo class will be there in this. So if you go to basics, if you open this particular folder, all the basic related information will be there. These document will be shareable to you. You can also view it and see it and prepare very well. Okay. This is about module 1. In module 1 also, I will help you with how to prepare the documents, NFRs, all the things. So if you see here one practices folder, so this is all the documents which is done by previous batch students, whoever interested. Just you can open with that name and whatever the documents they have prepared, just see that. You will get an idea as well. These are all the assignments. This is recent batch students practices folder. Okay. And apart from that, I will provide you real-time project workflows. I have already. I will upload it in this. You can see that and you can understand how the scripts real time. And if it is a scripts folder, means all the scripts will be there. Whatever I would like to explain, all the elements related scripts will be there. For example, in JMeter, we are having lot of elements, right? Each element scripts will be there in this each folder. If you open this particular script, you can see all the list of samplers. 10 to 15 samplers will be there. All the samplers you can see there. And I will provide you whatever the in class, whatever I am going to teach. Thread dumps, heap dumps, Apache Tomcat also I will teach. How to deploy the project, okay? How to open the project. What is the architecture also I will show you in the mission. I will install it and I will show you what is web server, what is app server, what is database server. Everything I will show it to you. Even database also I will show it to you. Every software in each and every folder will be there. Based on the requirement, I will add it and I will ask you to install. Just you can download it and install it and you can use it for your purpose, day-to-day purpose. This is how my complete training structure related to, and each and even demo projects. So demo project, even demo project softwares also I will provide. And I would like to show you one thing in the module 1. So whatever the particular applications I would like to show you, that applications will be, I have given one document like this. So if you just go through this document, you can simply see here all the applications like this. Okay. So Kona Cart, Web Tools, Pet Store, and Demo Shop is a very complicated application. Whoever completely done Demo Shop project, they can get job without any proxy support as well as without any job support also. They can survive in the office because that much bean shell code, that many challenges is there in this demo shop project. And I will provide you the link and I will provide you the scripts also. If you click on this user registration test script, you can it will takes you to the script recording steps. Each and every steps also I have prepared document. Just by seeing this, you can record your script simply. It was very flexible for everyone how you are using. And for each and every topic, I will provide you a detailed documentation with screenshots. Okay, so this is about course contents. And so tools to be learned based on the experience. Okay, so for freshers, they can learn any one tool is fine because they are freshers. There is no demand in the software like the fresher should learn 2 tools. It's not like that. Okay, if any one tool is fine for freshers, and for 2 years experienced, only single tool will be enough. That is, I will prefer always JMeter because JMeter is having huge demand in the market. Okay, and coming to 3+ years experience, you have to learn both JMeter and load runner with any one APM tool. That is like Dynatrace or AppData. So nowadays everyone is using Dynatrace. My suggestion was go with Dynatrace. I will also teach you in the class. Okay, so in my training, these are all the exclusive features. So one is like training is completely real time. Okay, so I will also, if possible, I will also show you my office project. I will share it and show it to you. It is not at all a problem for me. And training will be on enterprise Java application, not only the web tools, JPEG store. I will also cover like, I will also provide you an assignment. Even if I teach on demo applications, I will provide you one demo shop application. In that demo shop, you can easily go through the depth content. Okay, and challenges also. And first 10 minutes will be in the class. I will dedicate it for doubts clearance. If you have any doubts, questions, you can easily ask. And any theory or scripting classes, it will be like 60 minutes every day. So if everyone is okay, I will take 1.5 hour class because lot of topics is there. 35 days is obviously not enough. So if I take little bit more time, I will also cover lot of topics. I'm interested to cover more topics. I don't want to skip even single topic as well. So next POC, NFR, test strategy, all these documents, even real-time documents also I will provide. And scripting will be very simplified and easy way I will explain. Okay, and interview questions I will take whenever you want. I will take interview questions class. You can ask me all the questions. I will answer you all the questions. I will share you the videos, document as well. Agile methodology also I will covered with Jira board. I will show you the Jira board and competitor tools. I am not sure whoever heard about this. So I will also cover competitor tool introducing and script recording hands-on. Mainly I will focus on hands-on and practical scripting challenges will be also covered. Okay. And Bean Shell, mainly Bean Shell scripting, Groovy scripting, I will cover it from scratch. So JDBC, all these other protocols as part of training. So if I teach this protocol wise, you can easily understand also. And web services with example for both REST and SOAP, I will cover that. And simple table server is also important. I will cover that as well. Pacing calculations nowadays in every interviews they are focusing on pacing and workload modeling. So I will also cover as part of this training. And UI performance testing, test design with the different load testing types. As you know, right? Load, stress, endurance, all the things I will cover. And also results, how to analyze the results, how to identify the bottlenecks, and how to use Grafana, how to even configuration of setup for Grafana Prometheus also I will include it. For Jenkins also I will include. Dynatrace, I will teach you how to identify the bottlenecks and where you have to identify the bottlenecks. Apart from that, I told you all the engineering topics concepts will be covered, like JVisual, VM, Eclipse, Mat is the profiling tools. Those are very important. If 3 place, definitely in the interviews they're asked. Garbage collection, thread dump, heap dump, final document preparation. I will also show you the real-time document, and based on that you can also prepare it. Once the complete training was completed, I will show you one complete script, end-to-end script recording, so that you can easily understand how the complete script recording process will be. And you can also start doing everything, and you have to submit one project once the training was done. So I would like to talk about what is performance testing. Before starting the performance testing, how many types of testings we have in the market. I would like to talk few things so that you can also get an idea how my teaching will be and how I will explain the content. So in the market, we are having two types of testing. One is functional and non-functional. So functional, we are having a lot of testings. But out of that many types of testings, so we will mainly go with the manual testing and automation testing. So automation testing in the sense Selenium with Java or Python. And non-functional testing is like performance testing or security testing. So whatever the training I'm going to talk about is performance testing. That is non-functional testing. Okay. Manual testing. First of all, what is manual? So I will give you an example of car. Okay. So you are going, you went to buy some car. So you are trying to checking. What are the things you are checking? Functionality and non-functionality, both you will check, right? Like functionality means everything is working fine or not. Like if tire was properly fixed or not, right? If gear, if you put a gear, it's coming or not. If car is starting or not. If it is moving front or back. Every positive and negative cases, functionality you are checking. That is called manual or automation testing. Coming to non-functional testing, performance is there, right? So performance is something like how much speed the car will move. In 1 hour, how many kilometers it will go. Okay. If I put a reverse gear, how fast it will go back. How quick it is responding. Okay. So while you are moving 100 speed or 120 speed, is there any issues you are facing? Those things will come under non-functional testing. Okay. So security testing also, I will give you one good example. Security is something like if you put a doors, car doors, if you close the doors, so it is locking properly or not, right? If it is not closed properly, also it should pop up some alert, right? So these things comes under security. So this is about complete testing. So what is exactly the performance testing? Performance testing is a non-functional testing. Here we will check the speed of the application, stability or scalability and reliability of the application. Speed means how speed the application was. Means I will give you one real-time example. You can take Flipkart application. Okay. So during the time of sale, if you observe, if you try to buy that sale time on mobile, definitely the page will loads longer time and finally it will say page not found or server unavailable, right? Because that application in normal days only few users are using, but whenever the sale time is came, the people started using more than expected load. So at the time, how the application was, how that Amazon will respond, how speed it was respond, and how stability it has, and what is the scalability. Scalability means something like we are trying to putting more than expected load, how the application behavior. Reliability is something like duration, like in long time, more people are using the application, how it was. These are all the things we will check in the performance testing. And we are having advantages of performance testing, that is like we will increasing the optimization and capacity. Why? Because see, if that particular application is very fastly responding, definitely the customer will started increasing, right? The customers will be definitely more. So it will reduces the chances of failures, and cost also very effective. So this is completely about performance testing. So any doubts in this simple, I would like to explain about performance testing. If you have any doubts, you can let me know about types of testing and performance testing. So my training activity will covers online trainings Monday to Saturday. If you are flexible with Sunday also, I will take. Weekly, I'm going to office for 1 day. So whenever I'm having an office, if in the office I was came late, at that time I will intimate before. So if not, then I will take the training as usual. So doubt session also there. Whenever you people ask, ma'am, please set up any doubt session. We are having lot of doubts and questions. So please let me know before day. So I will ready to set up a doubt session also. And practical session also conducted on document preparation and scripting. So while preparing this, you can also ask me more doubts. Resume preparation and uploading into the job portals is as usual. And interview guidance definitely will be there in the middle of the course or end of the course. Whenever you people ask, feel free to ask me. We need an interview. Please share some questions or please discuss some interview questions. Definitely, I will help you. Mock interviews also there. Okay. So mock interviews by module wise. So whoever interested, please actively involve on that. Okay. So these are the different tools I will cover in the training. Performance testing tools. Okay. Load runner, JMeter, external tools, API testing. So actually in every demo, I will open each and every tool and I will show you. But I will ready my system by tomorrow. So please join again tomorrow also at the same time for demo. I will show you all the tools, how the tool, and I will just give you a touch base of each tool. What are the tools I'm going to teach you? So this is completely about my training details and everything. So actually my Zoom version was upgraded, but I'm not sure still it's showing that it was ending. So could you please rejoin again, everyone? I'm stopping the recording. Could you please rejoin again to the same link? And we will discuss about your questions and your doubts, everything I will clarify now.